So step one in learning how to program is you're actually going to have to start like programming, right? Obviously. Well, how do you even start if you don't know what you're doing? Okay, so like here's what I'm going to tell you. You're going to want to go to this website here. Let me show you. All right, you're going to want to go to this website. It's called W3 Schools. And you get here and you're like, "Oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming." Okay, so I'm going to walk you through it. You're going to scroll down just a little bit to this part that says like HTML or whatever. This right here that I'm highlighting right now is a basic, like as basic as you can get of an HTML web page. So like if you had this code here and you uploaded it to a hosting site, it would show this web page. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to just ignore most of this text and we're just going to look at what we can understand, the English parts. So you'll see it says HTML tutorial. Okay. And then we look at that and we go, okay, that's a title. Okay. What does that even mean? Well, whenever you go to a web page, like if you look at my screen right here, that's the title. Okay. So like it's a thing that's like at the top of the tab that shows you like if you're at Facebook or MySpace or Google or whatever, the title is that. Okay. So then next you're going to have, this is a heading. This is a paragraph. Okay. So that's just English, but it's inside of these little things here and they're like little carrots. So basically we call these things tags in HTML. Okay. So like if you want anything to be shown on the page, you have to wrap it in what's called a tag. When I was first learning, it kind of was a little weird for me to think about. So like P stands for paragraph. H1 stands for heading one. Heading one is like the biggest text that you can have an emphasis on. Don't worry if you don't get this stuff. You can watch this video again and you'll get these concepts. So basically, this P tag here, you can see this part. You have your text right here like this. And then after that, you have a little dash and then a P. Okay, so this is an opening tag and that's a closing tag. So anything in between here, this part is going to be represented to the browser as a paragraph. What's cool about paragraphs is like I could put another one down here. Here, let's just click try it yourself. So you can see this is a heading, so that text is larger. Underneath that, it says this is a paragraph. So what you can do is just double click and copy this and then paste this again. This is another paragraph. And what's really cool about W3 Schools is they have kind of like built-in interpreters and stuff like that that you can like run examples in. And that's really helpful because what you want to do is not spend a lot of time kind of spinning your tires or getting stuck. You want to just be constantly getting feedback and as fast as possible. Because like I get bored really easy, and if I'm not getting that constant feedback loop, it like makes things kind of difficult. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do here, going back to this, is this is another paragraph, is what I wrote, right? So we have this heading tag here. This is a paragraph, and then after that, this is another paragraph. So I'm gonna press run, and you're gonna see it's gonna pop up down here. Okay. So this is HTML 101, super simple. Don't worry about this thing that says doc type or this HTML tag or head tag or title tag or body tag here. Just focus on this stuff right now, okay? We're going to have plenty of time to learn this other stuff, but for right now, we just want to focus on this. So if there's any takeaway from this, hopefully you should understand what a heading tag is and what a P tag is, paragraph tag, and just understand the basic concepts of tags. So you have opening tag, closing tag. Whatever you put inside of there, that's going to be it. I'll see you in a minute.